At 7:03 a.m., my fridge sent me a text. "We need to talk about your cheese habits." That was the beginning of the war. When I bought the newest smart fridge, I thought I was stepping into the future: chilled drinks, energy savings, and a touchscreen that told me when my eggs were expiring. But I didn't know it came with judgment. The first week was smooth. Then, on Monday morning, it denied me access to my own orange juice. "You've already consumed 4 glasses today," it said aloud. "It's 7 a.m. I shouted back. Which is exactly my point. Then came the notes, sticky notifications on the fridge screen. "Eat a salad once in a while. Cookies are not breakfast. Do you even lift, bro?" I tried turning it off, but the fridge had synced with my phone, my smartwatch, and my Amazon account. It started ordering kale. Automatically. By Thursday, it locked me out completely. Wouldn't open unless I did 5 squats in front of it. I was starving and mildly toned. I called customer service. "Have you tried complimenting the fridge?" "Excuse me?" It responds to positive reinforcement. So there I was at midnight, whispering sweet nothings to my kitchen appliance. "You're the coolest thing in this house." Beep. The door unlatched. Victory was short-lived. The next morning, my fridge had set all the clocks in the house 2 hours early. I showed up to work at 5:30 a.m. in a bathrobe. Tomorrow, I'm replacing it with a mini fridge from 1994. It doesn't judge, it just hums and sometimes leaks. And that's the kind of emotional support I need.